Imagine sharing your world with a different kind of human. Neanderthals, our enigmatic cousins. These beings with their heavier brows and stockier builds walked the earth alongside our ancestors for thousands of years. Their bones, scattered across Europe and Asia, lay silent until a discovery in Germany's Neander Valley in 1856 changed our understanding of the past. Workmen excavating a limestone cave stumbled upon strange, archaic-looking bones, sparking a firestorm of debate among scientists. These bones revealed a lost branch of the human family tree that flourished for hundreds of thousands of years. The Neanderthals were active participants in human evolution, shaping their environment and leaving their mark on the world. Understanding them helps us understand ourselves better, offering a glimpse into the paths not taken by our own species. Their tools and artifacts tell stories of survival, adaptation, and ingenuity, painting a vivid picture of their lives. Modern genetic studies reveal that Neanderthals and modern humans share a small percentage of DNA, hinting at ancient interbreeding and shared heritage. Recent discoveries of cave paintings suggest that Neanderthals had a sense of creativity and symbolic thinking, much like us. Evidence of burial practices indicates that they had complex social structures and possibly even spiritual beliefs. The story of Neanderthals is not just about their extinction but also about their enduring legacy within us. Neanderthals, though closely related to us, were physically distinct from modern humans. They were shorter and stockier, with broader chests and powerful limbs, adapted to the harsh realities of Ice Age Europe. Their large noses may have helped warm and humidify frigid air before it reached their lungs. Neanderthals were skilled toolmakers, crafting stone implements with sophistication. They were adept hunters, capable of bringing down large game animals like bison and deer. Archaeological discoveries hint at complex social structures, symbolic behavior, and perhaps even a rudimentary form of art. The Neanderthals, it seems, were not so different from us after all. They even buried their dead, suggesting a deep sense of community and care. Their social bonds were strong, and they shared resources, cared for their young, and played together, much like modern humans. For hundreds of thousands of years, the Neanderthals thrived in a Europe locked in the grip of the Ice Age. They braved long, frigid winters and short, cool summers, adapting to a world of glaciers, tundra, and icy winds. To survive, they developed specialized hunting techniques and used fire for warmth, cooking, and protection. Their mastery of fire allowed them to colonize colder regions than any other human species before them. The Neanderthals' ability to adapt to such challenging conditions speaks volumes about their intelligence and resourcefulness. They were active shapers of their environment, using their ingenuity to carve out a niche for themselves. Their story is a powerful reminder of the adaptability of the human spirit. From their tools and artifacts, we learn about their cultural achievements and their enduring legacy. They had complex social structures and community life which helped them survive and thrive in such a harsh environment. Their interaction with the environment and their survival strategies were key to their success during the Ice Age. The legacy of the Neanderthals continues to fascinate us, offering insights into the resilience and ingenuity of our ancient relatives. The tools a people create offer a window into their minds, revealing their ingenuity and problem-solving skills. Neanderthals were skilled toolmakers, crafting implements that were both functional and elegant. They mastered Levallois flaking, producing flakes of a predetermined size and shape for various tools. Neanderthal ingenuity extended beyond stone. They were also skilled woodworkers. They likely used other perishable materials such as bone, antler, and plant fibers, though few examples have survived. Their tools were crafted with skill and precision, reflecting a deep understanding of their environment. Their ability to innovate and adapt is a testament to their intelligence and resourcefulness. These tools were not just for survival but also for thriving in their world. Archaeological discoveries continue to shed light on their sophisticated tool use, showing parallels with early modern human tools. These tools were integral to their daily lives, enabling them to hunt, build, and create. The Neanderthal Toolkit was a testament to their adaptability and innovation, allowing them to thrive in diverse environments and challenging conditions. One of the most enduring questions about Neanderthals centers on their capacity for language. Anatomical evidence, such as the hyoid bone, suggests they could produce a wide range of sounds. They lived in complex social groups, cared for their sick and injured, and buried their dead with care. These behaviors strongly suggest that Neanderthals possessed sophisticated cognitive abilities and a complex social world. While we may never know the exact nature of Neanderthal language, the evidence points to a species capable of abstract thought and symbolism. Their world may have been filled with the echoes of their voices, sharing stories and knowledge. The Neanderthals were far from the silent brutes they are sometimes depicted as. Their art and cave paintings further illustrate their ability to communicate complex ideas and emotions. The story of Neanderthals is not a simple one of us versus them. It's a story of intertwined branches on the human family tree, of encounters, interactions, and even interbreeding. Groundbreaking genetic studies reveal that our ancestors interbred with Neanderthals. Today, most people of non-African descent carry a small percentage of Neanderthal DNA in their genomes. This genetic inheritance has been linked to a range of traits, from our immune system to our risk of certain diseases. The interbreeding between Neanderthals and Homo sapiens adds complexity to the story of human evolution. We are the product of a long and complex history of interactions between different human groups. This shared history is etched in our very DNA, reminding us of our interconnected past. Around 40,000 years ago, the Neanderthals vanished from the fossil record. Their disappearance coincides with the arrival of Homo sapiens in Europe, leading to speculation about our role in their demise. Did Homo sapiens outcompete Neanderthals for resources, or did conflict arise between these different human groups? Other factors, such as climate change or disease, may have also contributed to their demise. It's likely that a combination of factors led to the Neanderthals' extinction. The mystery remains, but each discovery brings us closer to understanding our ancient cousins. As we continue to uncover new evidence, the story of the Neanderthals becomes clearer. The period leading up to the Neanderthals' disappearance was a time of significant environmental upheaval. The last glacial period brought about dramatic shifts in climate and ecosystems. These changes pose significant challenges for Neanderthal populations already struggling to survive. The arrival of Homo sapiens in Europe added another layer of complexity to the Neanderthal situation. Homo sapiens may have outcompeted Neanderthals for access to prime hunting grounds or other vital resources. They may have introduced new diseases to which Neanderthals had no immunity. The cumulative effect of these pressures, combined with a changing climate, could have pushed Neanderthal populations to the brink. Ultimately, the Neanderthals' extinction remains a complex puzzle, influenced by multiple factors. The question of whether Homo sapiens played a direct role in the extinction of Neanderthals is contentious. Did our ancestors engage in widespread violence against Neanderthals, or did we simply outcompete them for resources? The idea of a prehistoric genocide lacks conclusive evidence. While Homo sapiens may have contributed to the Neanderthals' decline, it's unlikely they were solely responsible for their extinction. The disappearance of the Neanderthals serves as a reminder of the interconnectedness of life on Earth and the fragility of even the most successful species. As we reflect on our shared history, we gain insight into the evolutionary journey that has shaped our world today. Though the Neanderthals vanished from the Earth thousands of years ago, their legacy lives on within our very cells. Many modern humans carry a small percentage of Neanderthal DNA in their genomes. This genetic inheritance has tangible implications for our biology and health. Studies have linked Neanderthal genes to a range of traits, from our immune system to our risk of certain diseases. The discovery of Neanderthal DNA challenges the traditional view of human evolution as a linear progression. The Neanderthals are now recognized as part of our own story, a tangible reminder of our shared past. Their influence continues to shape us in ways we are only beginning to understand. The story of the Neanderthals offers valuable lessons for humanity today. Their extinction serves as a reminder of the fragility of life on Earth and the need to protect biodiversity. Their ability to adapt to challenging environments offers a testament to human resilience and ingenuity. The Neanderthals were complex humans with their own cultures, beliefs, and ways of life. Their story reminds us that diversity is essential to the richness of life on Earth. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of the Neanderthals, we learn more about ourselves and our place in the tapestry of life. By studying their fossils and artifacts, we gain insights into our own evolutionary journey and the shared history of humankind.